You have reached your destination.
Yep. Alright, so I'm not sure where I have kind of left off of video making, but I think I was talking about my splash guards. I've got my gas tank in. I have yet to put the sending unit in, as you can see. I'll probably do that tomorrow. Today's a Saturday. I took out my packing kit and did the rest of the corking, as you can see. That, I think I did this correctly in accordance with instructions, but I think I'm missing the cork on the bottom, but I don't care. It's got the felt, the puffy shit. I also went to my local big box store and bought an 1.25 inch of strip here. I didn't see this called out in the instructions that I got, and I don't know if this is MGA specific or not, but I just don't care. I've got this entire length of the frame, stopping here. This stuff here, cork of course is per instruction. This stuff is per instruction, all the way up on both sides. I've also got cork on my triangular pieces. I wonder if that should have been on the inside. Oh well. I do have stuff in the inside, but it's a good question. I wonder. Oh well. I've also got cork here. Prior to me putting the body on, I'm going to take more of this stuff here. I've got a good chunk of it left, and likely go across there, or if not there, then on the outer edge here. I've read many times on a couple of the forums I'm a part of that people have issue with leaking and hot air coming from underneath, and it doesn't seal up well enough, so blah 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 blah. What do I have left? Let's take a look. I've got these 3 pieces, and I believe these 3 pieces were supposed to go here. That's the yeah, that's what I'm saying. Fuck it, I don't care. I've got all of the other. Oh yeah, the only thing I've got left are these. These go on the front. Once there it is, hanging up there in the corner there, and I think that is it for the body packing stuff. Did I think this came with a body pack. No, this came with a body packing kit. This I bought, that I bought, this I bought. The felt here comes also with the body packing kit. I want to say that felt there goes along the body rail, the frame rail on the other portions here. 11-foot rubber strip cut into strips. No, well, according to what I've got here, my 11-foot strip was supposed to go down to, well, you know, the end here where the shocks screw in. So, oh well. I've got a little bit thicker stuff there, so I'm still good to go. Let's see what's next. I'll probably clean my stuff up here. I want to get my, what do I want to get out? I want to do some research on mounting that sucker. That's my transmission mount to my transmission. I need to do some surgery. Prior to surgery, though, I want to make sure I've got my head on right and I do it correctly. My worry isn't necessarily mounting it. It's the length and how the two, you know, the rear end and the transmission kind of sync up to a nice straight line here. If there's a bend or a crook, and that thing has to spin, it'll impart a vibration to the car as I drive it, and I don't want that. So we'll see. Got a fuel line still to go. That's easy-ish. Now that I've got all my stuff, and that was actually what I was going to do. I was going to do my gas tank and the fuel line, but yeah, so that'll be next. I'll cinch all that stuff down, make it nice and tight. Maybe put this thing through a good wash. It's pretty filthy. And yeah, I've also been tapping out my my mounting holes, thread restoring or whatever you want to call it. I've got a kit over there in the red box there, and I've done all of the mounting things that I can find, and anything relating to the body going back on the frame. Make it easy on myself. So my next biggest thing is going to be the transmission mount, and then I think I'm ready. Transmission mount, fuel line, and then I think I'm ready to put the body on. Holy cow, that's within a week's worth of thought. Huh. There you go. Nice. Well, I'm not too displeased by my progress. That thing's a piece of crap, by the way. Piece of crap. Yeah, sorry. So that's it for now.